Hey there, welcome to this quick and friendly walkthrough of your new favorite budget planner built entirely in Google Sheets. If you're someone who wants to manage your money weekly and track monthly progress without a headache, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up your finances, track your income, expenses, savings, subscriptions, and even knock out debt, all with just a few clicks. We'll start with the heart of the planner, the monthly total sheet. Think of this like your master setup page. Here, you'll enter all your financial categories just once, and the sheet will smartly carry them over to your weekly budget pages for you. You can enter up to 3 income sources, 16 bill categories, 17 expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, and up to 14 more different expenses, 6 savings goals like crypto, mutual funds, and more, and 12 subscription services, Netflix, Prime Video, and more subscriptions and memberships categories. This helps keep things super organized and make sure you don't have to repeat yourself every week. Nice, right? Next up, we've got 5 weekly budget tabs, one for each possible week in a month. When your paycheck rolls in, just head to that week's tab. You'll enter your income details, set your payday, plan out your income and budget via actuals, and pick a start date. Budgeting for categories like debt, expenses, bills, and savings becomes really easy from here. Here's something cool: the bill tracking notification feature. When a bill's due date is within the next 3 days, it'll automatically highlight in red. That way you never miss a payment and your future self says thank you. You can also set up your budget for expenses, savings, debts, and subscriptions. Now, let's talk about the transaction tracker, your daily financial diary. Every time you spend, earn, or save, just pop it in here under the right category. The sheet will update your actuals automatically so you can compare what you planned versus what really happened. Over time, this tracker becomes a powerful reflection tool. As you enter data across weeks, the sheet starts creating interactive graphs for you. These visual summaries help you spot where your money is going, how well you're sticking to your budget, and where you can improve. Got debt? No worries. This planner has your back. The Debt Snowball Calculator lets you add up to 10 different debts. Just set your starting date and payment plans. You'll be able to see which debt is the most expensive and exactly when you'll be debt-free. Super motivating stuff. Lastly, we have the monthly dashboard, your personal finance control center. Here, you can see all weekly data summarized month-wise, spot patterns, and even track up to 12 personal financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or paying off a credit card, it's all right here.